Which of the following is the most precise device for measuring length? A. Is that the vernier calipers with 20 divisions on the sliding scale? B. Is that a screw gauge of pitch 1 mm and 100 divisions on a circular scale? Or C. Is that an optical instrument that can measure length to within a wavelength of light? To judge which tool is more precise, we have to find out their least count. Least count defines the margin of error and hence the precision. Hence, the instrument with lower least count will be more precise. For vernier caliper with 20 divisions on the sliding scale, the least count will be 1 mean scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. That is 1 minus 19 by 20, as there are 20 divisions on the sliding scale. This will give a value of 1 by 20, that is equals to 0.05 centimeters. Now let's see the least count for the screw gauge of pitch 1 millimeters and 100 divisions on a circular scale. So for the formula for the least count of screw gauge will be pitch by number of divisions, that is 1 by 10,000, that is equals to 0.001 centimeter, that is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 centimeters. For the third option, the least count is equals to wavelength of the light, that is 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers, that is in the range of 10 to the power minus 7 meters. Therefore, we can say that the optical instrument is the most precise device used to measure length.